All right. Here we are with Learn to Code 2, Train Your Expert. We're going to start here with what Swift has for their answer here. As you can see, it is very, as I'm explaining it, I'll run it, make sure it works. It's very basic. They got a turn around one where you turn left, move forward. So when you get here, they have the turn around. So you turn around, end up here. The complete side, move forward, collect gem. So bam, bam, collect gem. That's where you that's what you start with right here. And then for 1 and 2, complete side, turn around, turn right. So it's pretty much complete side, turn around, turn right, and then do the lock, turn around, turn right, move forward 3 here. So it's very manual, which mine is too, but I think mine was a little more fun to make, and it's another one of those whiles with gems collected and whatnot in it. So we're going to delete this stuff, and we're going to start out. So I already know when I started this, I knew I wanted to do it by gems collected, and I wanted to stop it at the last gem. And I finally came to me to how to figure out how to stop him right at the last gem, so he's not, going back and turning around like the Apple code actually did. So we're gonna start with a variable, call it gemsCollected. Gonna give it a 0 to start with. Function turn around, we'll need that. I like putting 4, 1, and 2. Expert turn right. That's why I don't have to put expert turn right 2 times. It just seems a little bit quicker to do for 1 and 2. And also that's what Apple kind of doing for 1 and 3, move forward, just makes it shorter than expert move forward 3 times. All right, so we got a variable in the function, and now we're on to our nice while loop. It's doing it again. Look at this crap. Look at the screen, and look at the keyboard. I'm pressing shit. Nothing's happening on here. But yeah, just back out of there. Or go forward, go back, and we should be good. All right. While. So this one, I'm going to say while gems collected is less than the total, which is 6. So while gems collected is less than 6, we're going to, first of all, expert move forward. He's just going to be moving forward. Now, if the expert is on gem and gems collected. All right, so when I first wrote this code the most basic way, I didn't have this next part in here yet. I didn't think of it yet, really. I was I wrote a basic code pretty much to go here, collect the gem, count it, turn around, turn right, and then do it again pretty much. So while you're not blocked, you're moving forward. If you're on a gem, you're going to collect it, turn around, move forward 2 times, turn right. So that's a basic thing. But then you got to realize that we don't have an if on, if on lock, or if on lock up, or if on lock down, any of that. So I didn't have a way to say, if is on gem and is on lock, collect gem, turn lock down. We don't have that. So I had to make it very specific to the number of gems that I'd already collected by that point. And my strategy, my plan, not really too hard of a thing to strategize about, going and getting these 6 gems. But my plan was go here, bam, bam, do that. You got to turn it down, then come back here. And I was going to use the same exact, kind of function writing that I had for this side, but except forward, turn around, forward, right. If you did that, forward, turn around, forward, right, that way you'd be coming up that end. So you got to make it so after he does this lock, he comes over here, goes forward 3, and then turns right. So you can use that forward, forward, turn around, forward, forward, right, going this way. So he comes this way over here, and he starts, you know, collecting them from that way on that end. So if expert is on gem and gems collected is not equal to 2, and gems collected is not equal to 5. I'll explain that 5 here in a second. Expert collect gem, gems collected plus 1, and turn around. And again, we don't have to put expert turn around because we already cited expert in this right here. So, all right, if expert is not on gem, or if expert is on gem and gems collected does not equal 2, collect the gem, add it, turn around. I'll just finish this part while I'm here. For 1 in 2, expert's gonna move forward, and then the expert is gonna turn right. So this pretty much is gonna cover this side and this side basically, but a little bit different. So while gems collected is not equal to, why does it not, you want it to not equal 2? Because when it does equal 2, and when it equals 2, and when you're on a gem over here, you want it to do something different than if it wasn't 2. You know, if you want, because you want it to switch down that lock, so it's got to do something different. And also, while gems is not equal to 5, because when it equals 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to do something differently when we get this 6th one right here. So I think when we finish this, it'll make more sense, because honestly, I'm even confused myself right now. But yeah, I think you'll understand better. If expert is on gem and gems collected equals 2, you got to put the double equals there. If you just put the single, I'm really not. Or I think, yeah, if gems collect equals 2 is true, then expert, what are we going to do? If we have 2 gems and you're on a gem, which is right here, you're going to turn lock down. As you can see, the locks are up right now, so you want to put them down. So if expert is on gem and it equals 2, expert turn lock down, expert collect gem, turn around, turn right. So yeah, we just copy this whole thing because he's collecting gem, adding it, turning around, moving forward, and then he's going to turn right. So this code, when we copy it and we put it here, he's going to look, he's going to be looking that way. He's been looking that way right there. So we got to add in a few different, or one more thing, right? We're going to say for 1 in 3, expert move forward. So 1, 2, 3. What's next? Expert turn right. And I think we should be good there. Yeah. It's kind of hard looking up here and looking down here to see see if I copied it right. Yeah. And then we just need one more if. And we're going to say if expert is on gem and gems collected equal to 5. So if that is true, if you're on a gem and you have 5 gems, which is going to be right here because we already have these 5 gems, you're on a gem and gems is equal to 5. That's why we got to have not equal to 5 to differentiate these two things. I was trying it, and you know, if you don't have this thing where it's not equal to 5, then I think I'll do this, if instead of that if, because this one comes first. And since it doesn't differentiate which if you want to do, it's going to do the first one in the code, is my guess. Because I was watching it, step by step, and it just went through the one because I didn't have these differentiators on here. So you got this one's 2, this is not equal 2, not equal 5, 5. So that makes sure that for every certain circumstance, it knows exactly what to do, and there's no other thing that it could do. So when you're on this last one, all you're going to do, you're going to collect the gem, and gems collected plus 1. And I think we should be good. I'll have this run here, and we'll see if we're good to go. Very, very nice. So since, he just collected gem and he stopped because we had the while gems collected was less than 6. So there we go. I'll drop the code in the comments or in the description as always. I actually really liked this one. This one was fun enough making these if and this while, and it wasn't too difficult where I didn't start getting pissed off. So that's it for this video. Peace out.